Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the JavaScript in the DOM section. This is lesson 6, hide. And it says, now that we can select an element with jQuery, we can use built-in jQuery functions to modify it. From here on, we will start building features into our skills website. First off, it would be nice to make the page fade in when loaded. To make a page fade in, it must first be hidden. We can hide elements with jQuery with a function named hide. We can hide elements with jQuery like this. So they select the class mySelector and they apply the .hide. At the end says 1. We attach the hide function directly to the jQuery selector. 2. The hide function will add the CSS property display none to the DOM element from the page, which will hide it. Instructions. We want all our skills to fade in, so we need to hide the skills first. In the index.html, the element around all of our skills has the class skillset. Inside the main function, delete the skillset variable and the alert you wrote in the last exercise. Then use jQuery to hide the skillset element. Do this by writing a selector for skillset, then attaching hide to it with a period. Then click run. So inside of our main function, delete the skillset variable and the alert. So we could delete this. And inside here, we're going to write a selector, $, parentheses, quote, dot skill set. This selects from within our HTML the class skillset. The skillset is a div which I believe wraps around these 3 other skills. Once it is selected, we want to apply .hide and let us run this. As you guys can see, it did hide the div which contained the class skillset. And all that this did, notice that the skills have been hidden. Hide added a CSS property of display none to .skillset element which hid the elements. Now let's learn how to fade in the skill set when the page loads. Click next to continue. Just so you guys understand what happened here, if I open up index, we have our index here which has our website on it, and all the skills were wrapped up inside of this div called skill set. The first box that had the skill HTML and CSS, the next one had JavaScript, and the next box had jQuery. All these are within the same div with the class of skillset. When we select that class called skillset, we apply a hide method, which in turn added a CSS property of display none to .skillset element. So the .hide function allows us to hide elements within a page by simply selecting them with a jQuery selector. And that is it for this lesson. I will see you guys on the next one.